If you're recording videos with a DJI Osmo Pocket 3, then you might notice that the videos aren't actually playable in the default Windows Media Player. It comes up with this, and it comes up with this missing codec message. This is a really quick fix. This is a really simple solution. So if you'd like to know how to fix it, it doesn't actually play the audio, then click on the link down in the description. It is a link to this page right here, which is the HEVC Video Extensions app from the Microsoft Store. Now, you do have to pay for this. I believe it's 79 pence in the UK, maybe 99 cents in the US, and it basically allows you to play these HEVC video extensions. You can see a lot of the reviews are quite negative because they're like, why do we have to pay for this? Which I completely agree with, but is what you need to do. So the link's down there in the description. Install it. Of course, I've already paid for it, so I can just install it nice and quickly. It's getting the files ready, installed, and it is done. So now we should be able to open up these video files to allow us to play them. Let me just show you one of these videos right here, and there it is. Now we can play the videos from our DJI Osmo Pocket 3 within the Windows Explorer.